Hello and welcome to Daily English Bites. Today, let's talk about something many of us do, catching a flight. Going to the airport can be exciting, but it can also be a little stressful, especially if it's your first time or if you don't travel often. We'll learn some useful words and phrases for your next trip. Imagine you're going on a holiday, you're going to fly. First, you need to get to the airport. You can take a taxi, a bus, or a train. Maybe a friend can give you a ride. When you arrive at the airport it's usually very big. There are many signs. Look for signs that say departures. Departures means planes leaving the airport. Arrivals means planes coming to the airport. You need departures. Once you are at departures, you need to find your airline's check-in desk. Each airline has its own area. For example, if you fly with British Airways, look for British Airways check-in. You might see screens showing which desk to go to. When you check in, you give them your bags, they weigh your bags, they check your passport and ticket. They give you a boarding pass. This boarding pass is very important. It has your seat number and your gate number. The gate number tells you where to go to get on the plane. Sometimes you can check in online before you even leave home. This can save you time at the airport. If you check in online, you often just need to drop off your bags at a special counter. This is called bag drop. It's usually quicker. After you have your boarding pass you need to go through security. This is where they check that you don't have anything dangerous. You will put your bags, your coat, and sometimes your shoes into a tray. This tray goes through an X-ray machine. You walk through a metal detector. Sometimes, they ask you to take out your laptop or liquids from your bag. It's a good idea to put these things at the top of your bag so they are easy to take out. Security can take some time, especially if the airport is busy, so make sure you have enough time, don't rush. Once you are through security, you are in the departure lounge. This area has shops, restaurants, and cafes. You can buy food, drinks, or gifts. This is a good time to relax, but always keep an eye on the time. Look at the screens around the departure lounge. These screens show flight information. They will tell you when your flight is boarding. Boarding means it's time to get on the plane. It will also show your gate number. Make sure you go to the correct gate. When it's time to board the plane, you will go to your gate. At the gate, they will check your boarding pass again. Then you walk onto the plane. You find your seat. Put your small bag in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Listen to the flight attendants. They will give you instructions. The plane will then take off. You will fly to your destination. When the plane lands, you have arrived. You will then go to baggage claim. This is where you pick up your checked bags. Look for the carousel number for your flight. Your bags will come out on a moving belt. After you have your bags, you can go home or to your hotel. Let's quickly review those important words. First, arrive at the airport . This means you get to the airport. You are there. For example, we need to arrive at the airport 2 hours before our flight. It's important to be early. Second, check in . This is the process of telling the airline you are there for your flight. You give them your bags and get your boarding pass. I need to check in my suitcase. Or, I already checked in online. Third, boarding pass. This is your ticket to get on the plane. It shows your seat and gate number. Don't lose your boarding pass. It's like your special airport ID for your flight. Fourth, boarding. This is when passengers start to get on the plane. Our flight is boarding at gate 10. The announcement might say, Flight BA 123 is now boarding. Listen for that word. So when you plan your next trip, remember these steps. Arrive at the airport early. Check in your bags and get your boarding pass. Go through security. Find your gate. Listen for announcements for boarding . And then enjoy your flight. It sounds like a lot, but it becomes easy with practice. Let's think about a small problem you might have. What if you can't find your gate? Or what if you are late for boarding? Don't panic. Look for an airport employee. They wear uniforms. You can ask them for help. Say, "Excuse me, where is gate 12? Or, "Excuse me, my flight is boarding now. Am I in the right place?" People at the airport are usually very helpful. They understand that flying can be confusing. Another common question is about liquids in your hand luggage. Remember, you can only take small amounts of liquids. Usually, containers must be 100 milliliters or less, and they must fit into a clear plastic bag. This is a rule for security. So, If you have a big bottle of water, you will need to drink it or throw it away before security. You can buy water after security. This is a common mistake people make. It's a good tip to remember for when you arrive at the airport. Sometimes your flight might be delayed. This means it will leave later than planned. The airport screens will show delayed next to your flight number. They will also show the new departure time. If your flight is delayed, you might have more time in the departure lounge. This can be frustrating, but it happens sometimes. Try to relax. Maybe read a book or listen to music. Or practice your English by listening to more daily English bites. What if your bag is too heavy when you check in? The airline has a weight limit for bags. If your bag is over the limit, they might ask you to pay extra money. Or you might need to take some items out of your big bag and put them in your hand luggage. So, it's a good idea to weigh your bag at home before you arrive at the airport. This can save you time and money. It's a little preparation that makes a big difference. Let's imagine a scenario. You're very excited. You're going to visit your family in another country. You wake up early. You pack your last things. You arrive at the airport by taxi. It's a big airport. You see departures. You find your airline desk. You check in. The kind person takes your big suitcase. They give you your boarding pass. It says gate 25. You go through security. It's busy, but you get through quickly. Now you are in the departure lounge. You buy a coffee. You watch the screens. Your flight number is there. It says go to gate 25. Then after a little while, it changes to gate 25 boarding . You walk to gate 25. You show your boarding pass . You walk onto the plane. You find your seat. You put your small bag above your head. You sit down. The plane starts to move. Soon you are flying. This is what a smooth trip looks like. Remember, the more you travel, the easier it gets. Each time you arrive at the airport check in, get your boarding pass and here now boarding, you will feel more confident. Don't be afraid to ask questions if you are unsure. Most airport staff speak English, especially in international airports. So, it's a great chance to use your English skills. Think about your next trip. What will you pack? How will you get to the airport? Will you check in online or at the desk? Remember to keep your boarding pass safe. And listen for the word boarding. These little details make your journey much smoother. It's natural to feel a little nervous before a flight, but knowing these key phrases and procedures can really help. It makes you feel more prepared. You know what to expect. You can follow the signs and listen to the announcements. And that makes the whole experience much more enjoyable. So next time you are preparing for a flight, take a moment to think about these steps. Picture yourself going through the airport. Imagine yourself getting your boarding pass. Imagine hearing the announcement for boarding . It will all feel more familiar. Thank you for listening to Daily English Bites. I hope this helps you feel more confident about catching your next flight. Safe travels.